Hello，大家好。我们看一下第5课和第6课主要的语言点 The key grammar point of lesson 5 and 6. 第一个to express the location of a place, we can say place A 在 place B. Like 我家在伦敦 My home is in London. 我的公司在牛津 My company is in Oxford. 我们还可以 add direction word in the end of the structure to express the geographic relation of two different places. For example, 我家在伦敦的西边 It can mean my home is in the west of London, and also it may show my home is outside London, but to the west of London. So it depends on the real context. Another example, 我的公司在地铁站的东边. So this sentence obviously has only one meaning. My company is to the east of the tube station, so it cannot be in the tubeway station, right? 好，我的公司在地铁站的东边。And also we have another structure. Place, the direction, 有 something or somebody or some places. So here 有 is used to indicate the existence of someone or something in a particular place. We can say 我家旁边有一个公园 There is a park near my home. 办公室前边有很多饭店 There are many restaurants in front of the office. So this structure shows there are something at some place. And we have a very similar structure, like place the direction 是 something or somebody. So the only difference between the previous one is we use 是 here instead of 有. So 是 here is to use to describe a singular object existing somewhere, while 有 can refer to multiple objects or people. So the object behind 是 is the only thing in this area, and usually is some specific person or object. So we can say LSE 的东边是法院 The east of LSE is court. 我们公司的后边是地铁站 Behind our company is the tube station. And we can see the difference of these two structures by using 有 or 是. To avoid confusing 有 and 是, we usually put measure word before the object when using 有. If without measure word, we should at least continue list one more thing that also exists in that area. So for example, 地铁站前边有一家咖啡厅 measure word for coffee shop 一家 And without measure word, we should at least say at least two things, like 地铁站前面有咖啡厅和书店 Okay, now here we don't need the measure word. But in 是 sentence, we can do both with or without measure word, like 学校东边是法院 And we can also say 学校东边是一家法院 Okay, let's come to the structure of lesson 6. And the second use of the, we use it after the verb. For example, 下雨了 it's getting raining. 下雪了 it's snowing. 刮风了 it's getting windy. So here, all the 了 here shows the situation is changing from one situation to another. Okay, 会 here, 会 is also a very simple character but has many different use. But here, it means it is used to indicate that something will happen or that someone will do something. The structure can be subject and 会 and verb. For example, 今天是阴天 Today is cloudy. 一会儿会下雨吗 Will it rain later? Will. 报纸上说今天会下雨 So the newspaper says it will rain today. So 会 here just a marker of something will happen, will. And the negative form is just some subject and 不会 and plus verb. For example, 已经下了3天雨了，我觉得今天不会下雨了。So, it has been raining for 3 days and I think it will not rain today. So, 了 here is not the marker of already passed or something already happened, but something will happen or will not happen. Another example, 这个价格太高了，我们可能不会买。So the price is too high, we may not buy, so will not happen. And okay, so the use of 最. So this character is to form a superlative, like something best or worst or biggest. So we usually do it with 最 and adjective. For example, 黑色的西装最贵 The subject is 黑色的西装 The black suit is the most expensive. 这次出差的地方最远 Okay, the subject is 这次出差的地方怎么样呢 Is the farthest 最远Okay. And another use of 最 we put the psychological verb after 最. Like the psychological verb are very limited, like 喜欢、想、miss or 讨厌 or dislike. So for example, 我最喜欢数学课 I like math class most. And we can also use the negative form 我最不喜欢数学课 I like math class worst. Okay, and also another example 老板最喜欢开很长时间会 So 开会 and we can put some time between 开 and 会开很长时间会 a meeting, quite a long meeting 最喜欢 like this most. Okay. So also we come to the structure, the comparative sentence. Normally we use the marker 比 The basic structure is topic A, 比 topic B, and plus adjective. So very simple example, 我的公司比他的远 My company is further than his. So here the topic in the topic B, 他的公司 the 公司 the same thing repeated, so we don't need to say again. And also 坐地铁比开车快 So the topic 1 is taking tube is faster than driving. Driving is the second topic. Okay, pay attention. We never use adverb before adjective in comparative sentence. So how to describe the degree when comparing? So we use 一点儿 a little bit and 很多 a lot or 的多了 a lot to describe the degree when compare. So for example, still this basic structure and we add the degree in the end. Like 我现在的汉语 my current Chinese 比去年好多了。去年 actually the complete form is 去年的时候。My current Chinese is much better than it was last year. 老板的办公室比我的 okay, it's the complete form is 我的办公室 but the same thing, so we don't need to say again. 怎么样？漂亮多了 or 漂亮的多。My boss' office is much more beautiful than mine. So we add the degree in the end of the structure. Okay, so the negative form, but actually it's not the real negative. The structure is topic A or topic 1, 没有 topic 2, and then adjective. For example, 开车 topic 1, 没有坐地铁快. So driving is not as fast as taking tube, so which means taking tube is faster. 坐地铁更快。Another example, 白色的西装没有黑色的贵。So, two things comparing 白色的 and 黑色的. Which one is more expensive? Okay, obviously the black one. 黑色的西装 is more expensive, 更贵。And sometimes we can say topic A 不比 topic B an adjective means something is no more adjective than B. For example, 今年冬天不比去年暖和。暖和 here means warm. So this winter is no warmer than last year, which means 今年冬天和去年冬天 may be the same cold. 开车不比坐地铁快。Driving is no faster than taking tube, so which means 开车和坐地铁 spent almost the same time. Okay, so let's get the very simple conclusion of the difference between 比 and 没有不比 and 没有 sorry, there should be 不比 and 没有. So 没有 means not as adjective as, and whereas 不比 is a direct negation of 比 meaning no, not more than. A very simple example like 这件没有那件便宜, so which means that one 那件 is definitely cheaper. 这件不比那件便宜. We don't know. We don't want to compare which one is cheaper or which one is more expensive. In this structure, it means both are equal in price. So they're maybe at the same price. Okay, that's all. 好了，再见。The first one is changing le, the changing le. Okay, le is a very simple character in Chinese, but it has multiple meaning and use in grammar. So here, le in this lesson is to express some situation is changing or has already changed, and usually used after a verb or adjective. So the first type of use, we use adjective and le. For example, 晴了. There are only two characters, but it's a sentence. It means it's getting sunny or it has turned sunny. And actually the real subject is the weather. But when the adjective or the verb is about the nature, the real subject is not really needed. So we can also say 阴了, in gloomy or cloudy. So we can also say 天阴了, it's getting gloomy. And we can also put the verb 变, the real verb 变 before the adjective to show the obvious change. So we can say 天变阴了. The weather is getting gloomy. 天气变冷了 The weather is getting cold. 情况变好了 The situation is getting better. 价格变贵了 The price is getting higher.